Today's lesson, surface area with formulas. We have a rectangular prism that has a length of 7, a width of 2, and a height of 11. Drawing the net, we can then find the surface area of each face. Using the height and the width, 11 times 2, we get an area of 22, and that is matched in the facing side. The next one is 11 by 7 for 77. Again, that has a matched pair. And then we have the 7 by 2 for 14. Add all of your sides together, and you get a total surface area of 226 units squared. Rectangular prisms also have a formula you can use for surface area. As long as you know the length, width, and height, you can substitute in the numbers to get the surface area. The formula is 2 times length times height plus width times height plus length times width. This is taking all of the faces and adding them together and then doubling it because there's 2 of each face. We can take the same prism and apply the formula. First, identify your dimensions. The length is 7, the width is 2, the height is 11. Substitute in the numbers for the variables in the formula. So you have 2, parenthesis, 7 times 11, plus 2 times 11, plus 7 times 2. According to order of operations, you need to do the multiplication first. This gives you 77 plus 22 plus 14. Then add the numbers together, 113, and double it, 226 units squared. You can also just put that equation into the calculator. A triangular prism has a similar process. We're still just going to find the surface area of every face, but we have to use a different formula for the triangles. First, find the area of each of the rectangle sides. Now, the sides have different lengths depending upon the triangle. The triangle is an isosceles triangle. The base is 10. The sides are each 13. So one of the rectangles is 16 by 13. One of the rectangles is 16 by 10. And the other rectangle is another 16 by 13. Then we need to find the area of the triangles. 1/2 times the base times the height. So 1/2 times 10 times 12 gives you 60 units for both of the triangles. Add all of your faces together, and you get a total surface area of 696 units squared. Our last example is a story problem. The inside walls, floors, and flat ceiling of Ms. Sinclair's house needs to be painted. She has enough paint to cover 1,000 feet squared. Is it enough to complete all of the painting she would like to do? First, draw the net of your house. Then label your dimensions. We have a length of 8, a width of 22, and a height of 10. Find the area of each face. 22 by 10 is 220, and that's mirrored on the facing side. 8 by 10 is 80, and 8 by 22 is 176. Then add all of the areas together, and you get a total surface area of 952. We need to then compare, does she have enough paint? 952 is less than 1,000 feet, so yes, she has enough paint to complete her project.